Hi, we are members of the CO2 committee at Espergaerde High School in Denmark, and we would like to explain to you how we work with sustainability at our school. And we've got this PowerPoint made by some of our students, but first of all we would like to introduce ourselves.
Hi, my name is Ole and I am the caretaker of the school.
My name is Aline and I'm a student.
And I'm Bodil and I'm a teacher.
And I'm Olivia and I'm also a student. And I'm Tusha and I'm also a student.
Yeah, I'm Lakshmi and I'm also a student.
Okay, we've got this climate committee here called the CO2 committee, and it consists of students, Ola, our caretaker, and some teachers. And we have a lot of meetings during our school breaks. Normally we have the meetings every third week. And we have new projects each year. And it's important for us to inform others about our work here at the school. So students inform other students and teachers inform other teachers, and all of you will usually inform the board of directors. And we started in 2009 with this CO2 committee because we wanted to improve the CO2 footprint from our school, and we do it by making things measurable. And we focus both on energy saving and resource saving projects. In the beginning we got some help from experts, but we also use sustainability as part of the education. It's part of the curriculum. And in this committee we sometimes go on excursions to get inspiration for our work. And it's important when we've done something that we get some PR, so normally the local papers will write an article about what we do.
Yeah, and we have a collaboration with Dunk Energy, and we have made a commercial for with them, and it can be seen on our school's homepage. And furthermore, we have won 3 prizes: Environment Prize 2013 from Elsinore, and DTU Hempel Prize 2014, and Energiforum's Energy and Environment Prize 2016.
And one of our big projects was getting LED lamps all over our school, and now we finally have them all over the building.
Yeah, I will tell something about the use of electricity. We get new students all the time here in EG, and more students mean more computers. And the computer software is also getting bigger and consumes more power. And in general, everything is just getting more technological. And that's why our goal is to keep a stable electricity consumption. And thanks to LED lights and some other efforts, we have actually reduced it. At EG, we also want to reduce the waste of paper as much as possible. And first of all, when students should hand in their assignments, or when teachers should give back the corrected assignments, they will mostly do it over EG's intranet by using our online portfolio system. And the printers will also automatically print both sides of the paper, but you can change it if you need it. And instead of paper, we use hand dryers in most of the toilets, and in the rest of them we use paper towel dispensers with motion sensors. And to reduce the waste of water, we have also got water taps and showers with motion sensors.
And we economize a lot on the heating, and you can see that when a student, for example, opens a window, then the heat automatically turns off, and it turns on once again when the student closes the window. And the same goes for the ventilation system. We also have intelligent circulation pumps, which means that hot water is only sent to where it's necessary, instead of sending the hot water all around the building.
Yep, and here we have an example of one of the things we have done quite cheap. We have a quite cold climate in Denmark. That means that we have to heat up the buildings in the winter. And it's an old building from 1971, and it means that they don't think about saving energy when they build the building. So we have to send 70 degrees hot water all around the pipes here, to make heating and to make hot water to washing your hands. We found out that we could put up a heating pump on the roof, and now this heating pump makes the hot water. That means that we down here have a bypass in the heating center, and it goes up and asks which temperature the building needs to heat up the building. So now we only send the necessary temperature of water around in the building, and not 17 degrees hot water the whole year.
So we have also installed the solar cells at the rooftop of our building, and that produces about 50 kilowatts of energy per year. This makes our school have a CO2 neutral section, and the solar cells also covers the standby consumption in the building. So when we do a project, it's important for us that the rest of the school could see what we have done. So we made this logo competition, and the logo in the middle won. And the winner also got the chance or opportunity to design the solar cell display you can see at the site.
On our school we have 30 custom-made bikes, and we use them to drive to nearby places instead of using bikes like buses and trains and so on. And in that way it becomes more energy efficient.
And as said before, we also use our sustainability as part of the education here at the school. It's part of the curriculum. And here you can see two photos made by a student with an infrared camera, and it shows that insulation is important, because a lot of heat is wasted if the windows are old. And that project led some of the CO2 students to actually analyze the whole building and check out all the windows with this infrared camera. So all our caretaker could renew some of the windows.
So as in everything has an economic perspective, our work does too. So we have this goal that with every project we do, we have to be funded in a period of 10 years to make this project go.
We collect rainwater on the roof of our school in a very small area, and we would very much like to expand the area because we use the rainwater in our toilets instead of clean water.
And here we have another example of what we have done to save energy. We have put up 6 heating pumps on electricity, and as I was told before, it goes up and asks which temperature the building needs. So we can see here when the heating pump is working and the gas boiler is working is this area. So that means that we're not using so much gas. We started with using 60,000 cubic meter of gas, and after we put up the heating pump, we only use 18,000 cubic meter of gas, and we actually buy the electricity much cheaper than the gas.
And we've got some external partners, and Dong Energy as mentioned before, and then some of the universities and educational institutions in Denmark, and that makes our work very interesting and more fun. And to point out that it actually matters that we do something, here you can see some figures. In 2008, before we started our work in the CO2 committee, we had a total energy consumption of 1,235 kilowatt hours per year per person. But then we've done quite a lot of energy saving projects, and then we've reduced our energy consumption to 585 kilowatt hours per person per year, and that's actually a reduction of 53%.
We're also having solar cell systems, and that produce so much energy. So we have 12 CO2 neutral classrooms. We have put up on a locking system so we can lock on all the energy use, so we can see if something's changed on the energy use. And here we can see that this is 3 classroom, 3 classroom, 3 classroom. So 6 classroom use, our solar cell produce so much energy, so we have 12 CO2 neutral classrooms.
And our water consumption has also changed a lot. We can see in 2008, before our committee started, the total water consumption was 2.36 cubic meter per year per person. And after the reduction of water use, we used 1.18 cubic meters in 2016 per year per person, which is a water reduction in 50%. We also have a display at our school that shows how much water is collected, and we would like to expand the area on our rooftop so we can collect even more water.
That's all?
Yeah.